Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a bike on this Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and download this Strava application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, if you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, you will have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you actually download it, you'll have to go and open it up. And of course, once you open it up, if it's your first time, they'll actually ask you to log in into your account. So if you have an account, make sure to go and log in into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go and create a new account. And of course, they will provide you with three options to create your account. They'll give you the Facebook option, the Google option, and the email option. Choose whatever suits you. And once you created your account or logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here in the home option of the Strava application, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to add a bike on the Strava application. So of course, if you are meaning that you would like to connect or sorry, to add a Strava, a bike activity. Once you are here at home, you would like to click at this plus option and manual activity and make sure to go here to this run and click at this. Of course, you can just go here to cycle sports and you can choose like ride, mountain bike ride, or choose whatever you want, even e-bike ride if you have like an e-bike on your home. And of course, you can just maybe click on it, choose a title. This is an example test. It will be our title for how many hours you've been like on this bike and how many miles you've passed. Of course, you can then save and your post should be here in the home screen. So, of course, there's even the option of recording your bike activity. If you have like a e-bike with an application that could be connected to the Strava application by this option. So that will be it, I guess. Of course, you can even connect a heart sensor or any other sensor if you have. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.